Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the card in the booking.com application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here in this page, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the manage your account option. Press on it. And here you should just select the fourth option, which is payment details. And here you can just press on add card down below. And all you have to do here is just write in the card holder's name. In this case, I guess it's going to be your name, the card number and the expiry date. Once all of this information is filled out, you can just press save card down below and you have just added a card in the app. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.